The next thing we need to do, especially if you're in Europe, is you need to add the cookies plugin. So in order to start tracking things on Google now, you need to have a little accept or reject button at the bottom of the page that pops up on each website. This is a new thing that happened in Europe recently. So what you need to do there is you need to add a plugin, and I'll show you what to do. So we go to plugins, we add new plugin, you type in yes cookie. So this is the one that I use, and there's a free version. So we go to yes cookies and we go to install now. And then we activate, and then we come down to it right here. We just press settings, and we go to connect to web app, and then you choose the free version. So as you can see, you get up to 25,000 page views a month, which is very good. You don't have to pay for anything. And we're going to click that, and we're going to connect for free. And I already have an account, but if you don't have one, you just need to set up your account there. It's your email and password. And then what you do then is you connect the site to CookieYes. And then I press this button here, and we're going to go to the CookieYes website. And as you can see, the website's here, and this is going to show your banner, and you can do a small bit of editing on that as well. So this is what I'm on about. This is what people can do on your website. And in order to track conversions or actions on the website, this is needed in Europe. So it's not in America yet. It may come, but if people press accept, you're able to track them. If people press reject, you're not able to track them. So that's just something I wanted to put out there first. That is a very important step of tracking your conversions on Google Ads. So then I'm going to go back to my website after this, and what we need is we need to go up here and you go to site settings. So in site settings, you're going to see the site key, and this is important to remember. So now I'm going to go back to Google Tag Manager, and we're going to set up a new tag. So we're going to go to tags, we're going to go to new, and this one you're not going to be able to see. It's harder to find, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to call this one the cookies. So this is just what I'm naming it. You can name it something yourself. So we come up to tag configuration, we press the pencil, and then you need to go to discover more tag types. Right up here, you press this, and we're going to wait for this to load, and then you go to the search icon up here, and we press that, and we're going to type in CookieYes. I know it's called, the plugin is called Yes Cookies, but we're going to copy what's up here, and we're going to type in CookieYes. CookieYes CMP, that's the one we need, and we just click on this, and then we're going to add to workspace, and we're just going to come down here and press add. And then we're going to go back to our website, and remember I said the site key. We're going to copy and paste this. You're going to copy that, and you're going to come back to Google Tag Manager, and where it says your website key, you're going to put that in here, and you don't need to mess with anything else here. That's all you need to do. And then we're going to come down to triggering, and this is a very important part as well. You don't use all pages, you don't use initialization all pages, you use consent initialization all pages. Make sure to click this one, and this is just basically the trigger that allows Google Tag to read that people pressed accept or reject on your website. So make sure you press this one, consent, and then that's all we need to do. You come up, you press save, and now there's two important steps in getting your Google Ads tracked on the Google Tag Manager. And if we go back to the website, sometimes it does take a few minutes to appear. So it has appeared already. So there it is on your website now. So if someone comes onto your website, presses accept, then you'll be able to track their actions on your website.